What size does basic bash/WSL subsystem on Windows occupy? How much space does the Windows subsystem for Linux, also called Ubuntu Bash on Windows, take up on my hard drive? I'm a bit low on space and want to know whether it would even fit.
On a virtual machine running Win 10 Insider Edition, Fast Ring, version 1703 build 16176.1000, I ran disk cleanup then restarted. I viewed used space on my C drive, installed Windows Subsystem for Linux, beta, restarted, then ran bash and triggered the Ubuntu on Windows download. Once the files had downloaded and unpacked and the initial setup was complete, I measured disk space again. Disk usage increased just over 600 MB between the two measurements.
At first I thought you were asking how much current space is being taken up from the WSL install rather than how much it will require for initial install. How large my current installs are. Over time updates will undoubtedly have the default install growing larger over time. Also, as you use WSL and mature your environment, installing dependencies, it will grow over time as well. Newer install, WSL2, Ubuntu. My semi-new install is under 2 GB, for now. I've got brew on it, fresh RVM, ZSH, just the basics for now. Under Windows Apps and AMP, features it lists Ubuntu WSL2 as taking up 1.92 GB. Due reports 1.7 GB, tilde 1.82 GB, which is pretty close to what Windows reports. Older install, WSL, Legacy Bash on Ubuntu on Windows. My older install is at 5 GB. This has NVM, RVM, SCODE remote, a bit of tons of project dependencies installed, etc., most of which my newer install doesn't yet have. PS. Measuring WSL size. If you're like me and landed here from Google trying to what size WSL is using on your Windows machine, I've asked a separate question and answered it here. How much disk space is WSL using on Windows? Smaller options. If you're looking for a custom WSL which may be smaller, you can look into this URL as found in this question.
Enfio anti do suporte de Chanel, Please consider subscrevendo.